Hey guys, this is Ed from the Autel Tech support team going over tech tip of the week. We're going to be updating a VCI. We're going to be using the J2534 as our reference. It is the same procedure for both the VCI Mini and the VCI 100. First thing I'm going to check for is a Wi-Fi connection. Hit the house icon in the bottom left of your screen. You're going to follow through to System Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see Wi-Fi listed. Make sure that switch is on. On the right-hand side, you will see your networks listed. Select your network, input the password. Once it is connected, you will see connected under that screen. To actually check if it's paired, you're going to go to VCI at the bottom of the screen. Bluetooth is on your left-hand side. You'll hit the scan button on the top right if it's not listed here. But once it shows up, all you have to do is select the option, and then it would then pair to your device. If you do need to update it, you're going to select Update on the left-hand side. You're going to plug in the power supply via the USB at the top of the tool. Once it reads it, you will press Update Now. You're going to let the update run through. If it does prompt you to reboot the unit, it's a very simple procedure. All you do is unplug the supply and plug it back in. For any other tech tips or support, contact our tech support line at 855-288-3587 Eastern Standard Time, 9 to 6. Thank you guys.